a common thread for me is people being aware of information overload that people are dealing with.
Yeah.
As you mentioned, 2 to 3 or however many million words or characters we
2.3
see,
million. I know.
2.3 million. And some people, I'm sure, are way, way above that.
Of
But if you have
course.
people with the amount of phone calls, emails, text messages, Slack messages, documents they have to read, presentations they're looking at, slide decks, whatever it is, people are just bombarded all day, every day, at home and at work. I sometimes, my wife and I joke, we need to hire an assistant to manage the emails just for our school's kids and sports activities, right? So there's so much stuff going on in people's lives that if you're not concise, if you are only putting your message out there once, and when you put it out, it's muddled, and you're not really asking questions to get that clarity, and you're not trying to engage with people who may be on the counter side of that, your communications are going to get lost in the mix, are going to fall flat. So I wholeheartedly agree. It's this idea of information overload that we're dealing with, and all the things you talked about are different little strategies that you can do to make sure that your message stands out and is heard.